That looks like a lot.
There's that Libas Baboy. This is pig. This is pig. It's the leg. Juliana signed out. See? She signed out. Nang barley coming in. Oh, isa man ta na dyan. Always mix one. Okay, babe, thank you. Ayan, and let's sprinkle some black pepper. And half of Anor chicken cubes. Dapat pork na nilang fry. Chicken na nilang. Ayan, what else? Butangan ka tapis nga. Handa na rin. Butangan sa soy sauce. Namangkot. Gamay lang. Patuloy na. And then we will put a little soy sauce. Just to put color. And then we will ano lang bubo ang ano lang. Okay, now we will put the yun ang petsa ko. Andiyan na inaabot ko. Ay. Like this. And then I got, long peppers. Grabe yung haba. Oh, haba ko siya. Yan. Bakit? Dalawa lang. And then I have the kotitot there. Yung ating nilagang pata. Pata ba? Dahil, matawag dyan yung paan ng baboy. And then, meron siyang libas. And, kakain na kami. Alas 10 pala. Mag-diet kami sa breakfast. Nilagang nilagang kamote at saka sabah. Kaya, early lunch. So, here's our na guys.
What else is in there? Ay, bro. Pero na to.
Ayan na ang ating sinigang na nilaga na parang hindi maintindihan. Lunch pa rin yan. Let's eat. Ayan, it's time to eat na. After cooking, syempre, it's eating time. Oh, diba? Ay, basta.
Ano? Dari ko ano?
Listen, na. Ubusan na lang dyan. Wow! Makahangga. It's sweet.